Hello friends, welcome back to the Soupier. So, I know you guys are probably wondering why I haven't done cooking videos in a while. So, I've been trying to just watch my diet and watch my weight. So, you know, cooking can be healthy, but it's not the most appetizing cooking healthy. So that's why I haven't done really any YouTube videos cooking on, or any YouTube videos focusing on cooking for a while. My recipes and stuff are still up there, along with, you know, my pet dog and cat recipes and stuff like that. Not cooking dog or cat, making food for healthy recipes for your dogs and cats. I do have a whole bunch of awesome recipes that are on there. You know, all my recipes aren't unhealthy. Some of them are very, very healthy for you. But I know you're probably going to think, oh my God, what is he up to right now? Well, check this out. This is why vans are infinitely better than other vehicles. Heading down, I'm going to do some e-bike riding with a good friend of mine. He invited me down for the day. I'm probably going to camp overnight. You know, it's getting towards that time where I get a couple days off, so I'm going to head down and see what he's doing here in the middle of nowhere. And we're going to ride around. I got a Venton Cinch. It's a really cool bike. Highly recommend it. You know, the funny part was, I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to get a fold-up bike because I won't be able to haul it anywhere and it'll be more compact. Well, in a van or a minivan, you don't need to fold it up. So I've got so much room, I'm not worried about it. But I'll shoot some more videos when I get down there. Right now I'm in the middle of nowhere, so just on the thruway driving. Don't forget to check out my giveaway. If you guys haven't left a funny comment or a funny joke, I've got a couple so far that are pretty hilarious. I was laughing at them the other day when I was looking at the comments. Make sure you guys check it out. But this place is absolutely gorgeous where I'm traveling through right now. It's you know, really, really absolutely beautiful. And we're going to go explore an abandoned campground. I probably won't be able to shoot too many videos because I don't really have a mount for my bike and I don't have any professional photography software or anything like that. So, I think the image stabilization, being able to hold a cell phone, recording a video while I'm riding, I mean, that's you got to be pretty coordinated to do that. So, yeah, this is one of the reasons why I took the shelf out. I still would be able to fit my bike in here, no problem. But as you can see, I've still got my mattress in here. I just kind of plopped the bike in there. So, but yeah, not too much is new. I have a trip coming up here in October to Yosemite. So I hope you guys are ready for that. I'm going to shoot some videos when I'm out there. I wanted to pick a time where it wasn't in the tourist season, you know, so I figured October would be great. I'm going to drive out there, meet a few friends, meet some of my family out there. We're going to do a little bit of rock climbing or whatever. Now, I am scared of heights. I'm just putting that out there. So if I don't get any breathtaking views, by all means. I don't know if you guys are afraid of heights. I don't know how common it is, but yeah, that's I work on it, you know, like my other fears. I'm a little bit claustrophobic, if I haven't discussed that in my other videos. Just a little bit, you know, like, so that's why, you know, like, I removed the shelf and stuff. When I was camping in here, I kind of felt just a little bit claustrophobic. So taking out the shelf, I really didn't need that much. I didn't really need that much storage in here, believe it or not, because I've got the swing away hitch on the back. So yeah, let's see here. I'm going to be heading to Florida. I'm going to take a trip down to Florida, and that'll take me, oh man, probably 4, I'm sorry, I'll probably be flying for like 4 or 5 hours total in the air. I haven't figured out if I'm going to fly or drive. I might actually drive. It might be a good trip for the Sienna. I might do some exploring. I figured it's kind of boring video, trying to take a video, you know, while I'm driving and stuff like that. So I probably won't get too many videos of me driving through these different places, but yeah. And then I'm actually planning. I wanna look at Tennessee, because I'm actually planning on relocating down there and possibly buying a house or some sort of an apartment complex or something like a duplex or whatever. So if you guys have any suggestions, like states, you know, like, oh yeah, move here. I'm kind of like a secure, like a, not a secure, I'm kind of like a real minimalist. You know, I don't have a lot of things. That's why I like van life so much. Is you can kind of live minimally, and I love it. But I do have property where I'm from. But yeah, locating in some other state. If you guys got any tips on states where the building codes aren't so ridiculous and the zoning laws are not absolutely crazy, hit me up. Think about me. You know, here in Western New York, the building codes, you know, anything in New York, you know, they have power. You know, property is cheap here, yeah, but they have so much power over your property and what you can and can't do on your own property. It's you know, the local town governments are in very much control. You know, not speaking badly about them or anything like that, but yeah, there's a lot of control that they have over what you can and can't do on your own property. So that's a whole nother story. But yeah, so I just wanted to thank you guys for all your subscribing. You know, all your awesome feedback and comments is always, you know, very helpful and really helpful. I want to show you guys kind of where I'm driving here. I'll turn you around for a little bit. Absolutely gorgeous country. There's an abandoned campground probably 7 miles from his house, so we're gonna ride out there. I figure I'll be pretty safe. My e-bike has a, oh geez, I can't remember the range on it. Some people have said they've got with pedal assist like 70 miles, but I'm not worried. That's why I like having an e-bike, because if I run out of juice, the bike doesn't weigh that much. So, you know, I could ride it and back wherever I need to go. Even though it is heavy, it's kind of hard to pedal. But this is absolutely gorgeous out here. Right now I'm next to Allegheny. I've been driving for a little bit. Next to Allegheny State Park. I'm in a place called Cold Spring. Oh, that's a gorgeous house. I'm in a town called Cold Spring, so yeah. We're gonna go hit up a local bar, restaurant. I don't drink, but I heard they have really good food, so. Never know what you're gonna see. This is why I like recording videos and stuff. You never know what you're gonna see. This is why I like recording videos, because it kind of, you know, saves what I saw, and I can reflect on it later and be like, oh my gosh, I totally didn't see that old car, or, you know, that beautiful house or whatever. So. But all right, my friends. Well, that's the end of our video together. He's got a stronger bike, or a stronger motor on his. I think it's like 1,200 watts. I'm not going to try to ride with no hands. Speed limit 55. Okay, well, we'll keep it under 55 here. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this, another little campground we're gonna go explore, maybe. You gotta watch out for the occasional turd on the side of the road. We got some Amish friends that live out here. Unfortunately, their horses are more economical than our e-bikes are. So, but they leave their exhaust system's kind of funny when it comes to horses. They just leave little trails of poo in the road sometimes. Wow. So next week is my birthday, September 7th, if you guys didn't know that. So, yeah. That's why I'm doing the, what do you call it, the announcement of the winner next week, or on the 7th. It's only a couple days away, so make sure you check out the other video. Make sure, if you guys haven't, you smash that like and subscribe button and check out my Patreon. Couldn't do this stuff without you awesome people out there, so thanks again. Wow, it's picturesque out here. And in like 3 months it'll be snow, because this is the snow belt. Yeah, riding something like this when it's a wider wheel makes it really kind of difficult to do it with no hands. Let's see where we're going into. I'm pretty sure this is Cold Spring. I brought my my Sienna in through here. It's my buddy's horn. His has got a light on the front and a horn. I'm kind of jealous of that. And he's got turning signals on it, man. That's pretty cool. New York State fish hatchery. That's kind of cool. I don't know if we should do this one. We'll probably run out of grease going back up. I'm like topped out. Topped out at 20 miles per hour.
Well, we're only going 17 right now.
You're going 17? Yeah, I'm at about 16. I was there for a minute. 20 mphers. This is gorgeous. Now, if you guys don't know, I used to ride BMX many years ago. Oh, he's pulling away! God damn it! Excuse my French. His bike is a Smart Travel. So he's got, I think, like a 1200 watt peak motor. Like I said, I'm not really good at recording with one hand. this way. Check out this abandoned campground for a little bit. There goes my buddy showing off. So we just got done exploring Pope Haven Campground. We just got a bite to eat here at MJ's Tavern, which is actually a brew pub. They have really good food, man. I highly recommend coming here and checking it out. But I gotta cut you short, or my buddy's gonna leave me here in the dust. So yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to touch base with you guys. Hopefully you guys are checking out my other videos. Make sure you like and subscribe. Alright, my YouTube friends. Turn down my music a little bit. So it was a successful day of riding. I explored a campground that was pretty cool. Pope Haven. That was pretty awesome. I've got a campsite here in Cold Springs, actually kind of just more like a turnaround. I'm going to go through and get myself set up for tonight. I've got my bike in the back, so I'm going to have to push that to one side. Thank God I don't have the shelf in here anymore. The bike would be spending the night outside, which I don't feel like doing because I don't want to have somebody steal it from me. But there's if I'm not mistaken, there's a really nice picturesque pull-off up here in Cold Springs that has a great view of the sunset. So I'm gonna go through and set up my bed. I just grabbed some food. I don't have my fridge in here, and I don't have my solar generator. Everything is all charged. I'm probably gonna pass out before my drive home. I'm kind of exhausted after a long day today. But yeah, I explored an abandoned not an abandoned campground, a campground that there weren't people there today because it's after Labor Day, and that's one of the last big holidays they get. So it was kind of dead. But yeah, checked out a couple other really cool things. Found this really cool tavern and brew pub. MJ's is the place to go if you're looking for some good food. They have really good salads too. I highly recommend it. I'm not much of a drinker though, so I can't attest to the beer. So that's totally up to you guys. But yeah, long day. Put on, I think we hit like 40 miles total of riding. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the content. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. I'm gonna begin my drive home tomorrow morning because I'm beat right now. I'm exhausted. So all right, thanks again for watching and subscribing. Make sure you guys go ahead and smash that like button. Recommend my channel to your friends. Don't forget to leave some awesome comments my way. Thanks again.